$30,000 a month. That is what Brendan Jowett makes by building artificial intelligence tools for small businesses. He is not a software engineer, and he didn't raise a dime in venture capital. Instead, he connects chatbots, phone systems, and email tools together so they run automatically without a human. This chart shows exactly why businesses pay for this. One client paid Brendan $20,000 for a single AI email agent. That sounds expensive until you look at the client's own data. This automation eliminates the need to hire someone to manage email threats, saving them $60,000 to $70,000 a year. Across the board, agencies selling AI receptionist services charge between roughly $300 and $1,000 per month per client. Their profit margins sit comfortably at 60 to 70%. Top agencies with 50 or more clients are taking home $20,000 to $40,000 a month in profit, and most secure their first 3 to 5 clients within 30 days. When you save a business 3 times what they pay you, there is no sales pitch required. The math does the selling. To actually do this, you have to pick exactly one service to sell and focus on it entirely for the first 90 days. Do not try to do everything. Option 1 is building AI chatbots for local businesses, like plumbers, dentists, and real estate agents. These bots answer missed phone calls and book appointments automatically, capturing revenue that would otherwise be lost to a voicemail. Option 2 is creating workflow automations for companies. This means connecting their existing tools together so repetitive administrative tasks like sorting emails, generating reports, or updating spreadsheets run without human intervention. Option 3 is the premium tier. This involves building custom AI voice and email agents that manage entire corporate communication workflows. These handle client-facing emails, internal routing, and phone answering with full context. This diagram shows the kind of visual automation platforms you need to learn, specifically tools like N8N and Make.com. These are drag-and-drop platforms where you connect different software without writing code. You can learn the basics by watching free YouTube tutorials, which takes about 4 hours per platform. The core functionality comes from connecting an AI model from OpenAI or Claude directly into these workflows using AI nodes. An AI node is simply a pre-built block in the software that sends data to an artificial intelligence model to read, analyze, or generate a response before passing it to the next step. Mastering these visual tools takes roughly 10 hours of free learning. You can figure out how to build basic, enterprise-grade automations in a single weekend. Before you ever attempt to find a client, you must build a working demo. Pick a fake business and build them a functioning system. For a chatbot, set up an AI phone agent that answers a call, asks what service the caller needs, and books an appointment. For an automation, build a workflow that takes a new form submission, sends a confirmation email, adds the contact to a spreadsheet, and schedules a follow-up reminder. Then, record your screen while you use it. This is where most people quit. They build a demo and sit around waiting for clients to appear. Instead, open Google Maps and search for businesses in your area that rely on inbound calls: plumbers, chiropractors, law firms. Pick 20 and call each one. If a human answers, you can pitch them. But if nobody answers and you reach a voicemail, you are actually in a better position. That business is losing money in real time every time that phone goes unanswered. Send an email that says exactly this: I called your business today and reached your voicemail. I build AI phone agents that answer every call 24 hours a day and book appointments automatically. I built a demo for a business like yours. Can I show you a 2-minute video of how it works? This specific outreach method works because you are not selling a concept. You are actively demonstrating a solution to a problem they already know they have. Out of 20 businesses contacted this way, expect 2 to 3 to respond and 1 to become a paying client. For small business chatbots, charge $150 to $300 per month. Your server costs run $20 to $50, giving you 70 to 80% profit margins. For project-based automations, charge $500 to $2,000 per build. Define exactly what the automation does and what tools are involved, and deliver the final product within 1 to 2 weeks. Immediately after delivery, offer a monthly maintenance plan at $100 to $200 a month to keep the entire automation updated and running smoothly. Establishing strict project boundaries and securing those recurring maintenance fees turns unpredictable one-off projects into a highly stable business. Furthermore, the timeline to meaningful revenue for a software product averages 12 to 18 months. Services, on the other hand, generate money in weeks. Building an app is a high-risk startup endeavor. Selling AI services is a practical, mathematical bank account. So here is your first 90 days. In month 1, spend your first weekend learning the platforms. Build your demo in week 2 and start your outreach in week 3. Land your first paying client by the end of the month, bringing in $150 to $500. In month 2, deliver a flawless result for that first client and get a testimonial. Use that testimonial and outreach to the next 20 businesses, landing 2 to 3 more clients. By month 3, you have 3 to 4 clients and real case studies. You raise your prices and start targeting mid-size businesses at $500 to $1,000 per month. This chart shows the trajectory. By month 6, daily outreach yields 15 to 25 clients, making $3,000 to $6,000 a month. By month 12, you're operating at $8,000 to $15,000 per month. The tutorials are completely free. The platforms all have free tiers to get you started. The math is proven, and the exact steps are laid out. The only thing separating you from the people making $30,000 a month is whether you actually start.